Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn an effective way to calculate in a range of cells. Let's consider this example where I need to multiply the numbers in green by the numbers in yellow, the percentages in yellow, and then put my outputs in the area selected. You obviously can't do this cell by cell, so you need to devise a strategy to calculate this at a go. One trick you can use is to highlight the cells and start calculating in your active cell, which is the white cell. So I'll start my original formula here. So I have 9,200, left arrow to pick it. Now, because I don't want this column B to move as I copy the formula to the right, I'm going to lock this column. So to lock, I'm applying a $sign in front of the column. So I press F4, F4, F4. So this F4 applies a $sign in front of column B. Then I'm going to multiply by this row. Again, because I don't want the row to shift as I copy down, I'm going to apply another F4 to the row. So F4, F4, dollar in front of the row 7. Now, this formula is fit to go throughout the cells that I have selected. Instead of pressing enter, because you have a bunch of cells selected, we press Ctrl and enter. So when we press Ctrl and enter, you observe that you have all your formulas calculated in the cells that you highlighted. So the learning here is when you're calculating for a range of cells, calculate for the first one, and before you press enter, press Ctrl and it will spell the formulas in the range of cells you've selected. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to your WhatsApp on Mondays and Fridays. You can also visit our YouTube channel. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.